The A stretch, arms up overhead, feet together in a single-legged stance, and we hold that. I counted my head, I count to 30.
Then we bring the arms down to 30.
Bring your elbows down to the heart and do a light press. We're opening up the fascia in our wings. You can pulse or hold it. Bring the elbows together and hold that. Still in the single-legged stance. Now 100% of your weight on your right foot. Lift your left foot up and take a wide stance and squat down. Bring yourself down into a squat. Whatever squat you can do, the best squat for you, without hurting yourself. And now, staying bent over, you're going to unbend your knees and stretch your hamstrings. Stretch your legs however they want to feel the stretch. And now make your palms face each other and bring that up over the top of the head. Inhaling up right over the top of the head and hold that. Now drop your elbows down to a T. And pull the elbows, pull your palms out from each other. Nice stretch here. Now drop your elbows and make a diamond with your thumb and first finger right at the navel. That's it. Keep your fingers wide apart without touching the body. And breathe. Relax. Lift your elbows up and bring the diamond up to the forehead without touching. Unbend your elbows back to a T. Stretch them out. Stretch it out. Relax. Now drop your elbows near your hip. That's it. And I want you to inhale into your palms and into your feet. Bringing more oxygen into your palms and into your feet. And relax with every breath. Inhale into the palms and relax, completely relax them. One more breath. And now relax and bring your elbows to the back. Squeeze the elbows together, squeezing the wings together. You can pulse or hold it, whatever's most comfortable for you. And relax, just shake it all out. Shake the left leg, shake the right leg, left arm up, right arm down. Switch arms and shake it all out.
And shake it all
Woohoo!